Hello everybody, Ckixy here, and today I got an update for the frequency transmitter, and here it is. As you can see, this one is much bigger than the original, and what I was going for with this one is it is more of a database for every single possible frequency that you could have. And I know that you're probably not going to use every single 512 frequency that this could possibly have, but I just wanted to make a database that you could stick in your spawn junks or wherever you want to put it, and then access it from anywhere. And so my original design over here could only go up to 21 frequencies, or you could extend it if you wanted to. But it is mobile, which allows you to just copy and paste it wherever you want, and it will function correctly. Now unfortunately, this one is not mobile. You have to put in your spawn chunks, and it uses very precise coordinates, which kind of ruin it, but I think there's a few ways around it. I don't know exactly. But the nice thing about it, look, got a little bit of rain. But the nice thing about this is you could go anywhere that you want, and you could just spawn in your own frequency transmitter. So this is the portable transmitter, which allows you to have basically a transmitter, and you could access the database with it and activate certain things using the database. So you can see it's outputting different numbers. I went over the amount that I have set. And then all you have to do is click a button and it goes away. So this is nice for a creative world. If you have, if you need a database for something, you could just store the database, and then you could just select the frequency that you want to set, and then just make it go away. Also, I was thinking for custom apps, all you have to do is build this structure into walls, and it's a lot more compact than that, because this over here, my original one, requires a lot of space just for 21 different activations or different outputs. And so this is more for custom apps, because anywhere that you want, let's say a teleporter, you could just build this structure into the wall and you have a teleporter. Or for example, the survival or creative map, you could just make it go away, and it's very nice and portable. So for the portable area over here, the frequency transmitter, is I have a clear map clock over here, and then it will give me a new map. So it clears a filled map, so as soon as I click on the map, it fills it, and then it'll clear it and give me a new map, and I just have that on a T flip-flop. And then how I'm using the portable version of this is I have a minecart over here with a custom name called transmitter, and then over here for the test4 commands, I actually have a execute command with the entity name transmitter. So what this is doing is I go over here, set this, and this minecart right here is called transmitter. So that's executing the command on transmitter, and then it's selecting the relative coordinates of this and comparing it to the exact coordinates of that. So unfortunately, the database has to always be at the same exact position, and this creates a huge problem because you have to set every single command block by hand, because it requires specific commands or specific coordinates for your world specifically, because not every world has exactly the same spawn chunks. So you have to move this around until you put it into your spawn chunks, and then you have to set the commands to get those exact coordinates. So this creates a few issues, and unfortunately there's no real way I see of getting around it. The only way I could think of to get past that is using a MC edit filter to build this, and it will get the coordinates from your world. But I don't exactly know how to make MC edit filters, and I don't even know if MC edit filters work that way. I don't know if I could get the coordinates or anything like that. So unfortunately, this is more of just a prototype to see where it has gone or what has been done with this, but it's not really accessible to the public yet because I can't really make a world for it because it requires specific coordinates. So I think that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time.